From the initial surface outcrop to the current workings is approximately 3.5 kilometres in a straight line along a shear. The historical workings at Gwalia reached a depth of approximately 1 kilometre below the surface following the high-grade mineralised system. In 2016, the main decline reached 1.66 kilometres, or just over an imperial mile below the surface, to allow production from a range of ore sources. At June 30th, 2017, the Gwalia Mine had mineral resources of 5.1 million ounces of contained gold, and these remain open at depth with high-grade mineralisation delineated below the current resources. The mining method at Gwalia is long hole stoping, with mining currently reaching 1.6 kilometres below surface. Between 1.5 and 1.8 kilometres below surface, the lode system is particularly thick and high grade, with between 9 and 11,000 ounces per vertical metre present. Deep drilling from the surface has been used to advance knowledge of the deposit and extend the resource to even greater depths, now around 2.2 kilometres below surface. A drill hole reaching 2.6 kilometres was completed in 2018. According to current mine planning, mining operations will reach a depth of 2.26 kilometres by 2031. In March 2017, St Barbara commenced the Gwalia Extension Project with an overall budget of 100 million Australian dollars and taking 2.5 to 3 years. The extension project consists of two main components, a ventilation upgrade and paste aggregate fill. The ventilation upgrade provides additional ventilation capacity via raised bore intake and exhaust ventilation shafts, with related power and cooling infrastructure needed to mine between 1.8 and 2 kilometres below the surface. To manage the primary risk associated with long raised bore shafts, the design uses shorter two-stage raised bore shafts, connected by horizontal development. The paste aggregate fill involves mixing paste from the surface with waste rock, crushed underground at a proposed underground crushing facility to backfill mine stopes. Disposing waste underground allows truck and ventilation resources to focus on ore production, boosting efficiency and potentially increasing production. Paste aggregate fill also allows faster stope filling and therefore reduces stope cycle times. A feasibility study entitled Gwalia Mass Extraction is underway, seeking to extend the mine life even further into the future. At the core of the new study is a plan to crush and grind ore underground, mix it with water and pump the resulting slurry to the surface, also called a hydraulic hoist. 3 new pipes will carry the slurry to surface, 2 in use and 1 on standby. A 4th pipe will deliver water from existing reservoirs. Combined with a new mining method that includes leaving rock pillars in narrow stopes, St Barbara anticipates the mining rate could be lifted from the current approximately 800,000 tonnes of ore per annum to 1.4 million tonnes, an increase of 75%. Between the new Gwalia Extension Project paste aggregate fill infrastructure and the proposed Gwalia Mass Extraction Hydraulic Hoisting Project, trucking from 1,500 metres below the surface to the surface will be eliminated, reducing costs, demands on ventilation and cooling, and debottlenecking production.